No, I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a girl that can't get no love from me. Sitting in the passenger side of our best friend's ride.
Okay. Next thing we did was the double man spin. I love to see the men spinning. Wind up strong. Hands low. Steps. 4 steps. Back and step, 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 and out. Okay. Finishing out to my left. We did some variations moves. We did doubles. So 1 and out with the doubles. 1, 2 and down. Key with the double. Men. The arm locked. 1, 2. The wrist only. It looks good. Yeah. Not this way. Back. In. Out. Lock. 1, 2. The arm doesn't have to move at all. Arm is locked. Same with the other direction. We did the throw away. Back to the wrist. Throw. Catch. Arm comes up to the lady's forehead and then lock. 1, 2. Okay? Then we did a comb. Yeah, so that one is back to the wrist. Throw and catch. 1, 2. Comb. And drag it around nice and slow. Alright. I don't remember what else we did. We did some dips, yeah? So we did the toilet swipe. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross. Catch. Handshakes there. Straight line. You go spin, cross step, and dip. Alright? When you dip for the ladies, making sure that the foot is pointed, stays down, is the safe one. Okay? Or you bring it back to there, but not in the air. Okay? Guys, handhold options like this, or this, or this. Okay? But with the men, always shoulder back here, back up, and there's the legs to everything. Yeah? The swan, which is 1, 2, comb, legs, under the ankle here, straighten the legs, easy. A couple of variation options, or you can do the safe one, down low, okay, just go. Alright, this is a move I like. Alright, so the step slides and the timing, these ones is where you go fast, slow. We're going to go back, step slide and up, step slide and up. Rotating. So we did this way, coming in, and then the back step, rock, rock, with a hand change. Now for the rotating, the tornado, guys, you've got to start going this way and come around. At the same time, 1.5 turns here. So I go step left here. Alright, so this one goes left, right, my left, and down. Okay? Good fun move. Okay? Good fun move. And then the end we finished off with some easy ones, which was just this little up and over, lock, triple step. And then the ladies do their own styling. But guys, you lead into this one, so she can take up as much time as she likes. Then the exit, oh, she led her own exit, nice. Okay? Well, the other exit is to spin down, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, triple step. And ladies do their thing. And then you can spin out and back. Thank you.